Hi there, hi everyone, hi guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, August the 29th, 2022. I've already solved three puzzles in this edition: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. And now it's time for the Tectonic. Yes, the Tectonic, and this one will be a special one because this one has 10 printed digits, and I've told you earlier the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 10, so I think it's a 4 stars worthy. Yeah. We will see if this really a 4 stars puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. We will see if this is really a four stars puzzle. By the way, this one will be number 5093. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box is a 1. There single box is also a 1. Can we see here the dual box? I see here dual box. Here also dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here also 1 and 2, 1 and 2. More dual boxes. No, triple boxes then. I see here triple box, there triple box. And when you see a triple, and here also triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. When you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Here the same, the box near the middle box, 4 or a 5. Here we have a triple box also. The inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is also 4 or a 5. Here also 4 or a 5. Here the inside box near the middle box is always 4 and a 5, 4 or a 5. Then the following question: quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? I see only one quadra box in an L shape. Oh no. Here we have another one. But when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, yes, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Alright, here we have a quadra box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet, so okay. So the next stage or next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions to recognize. Yes, here we have the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case is the 1 or a 2. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So this is also 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. Only one T shape? No, here another one. This box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. Alright. Okay. Then. Two T shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Okay. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here, Another one. Upside down. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Well, this box... oh, okay. Let me continue. Do we have more shapes or figures that you need to recognize? Let me check. No, only 3 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. 1, 2, 3. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. We have here the triple box. Well, this box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and a 2. This box is also connected with this box, should be also 1 and a 2. But we already have a 2 there. So it can't be a 2 anymore. It should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. Is connected with this box, should be also a 1. So 1 digit left in this triple box for the number 2. Alright. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. In this quarter box should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also the 2 and the 4. Alright. Then these are 3 boxes surround the 5. Can it be a 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be 2? We have a double 2 there. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here. This box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. I marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 now. So this box should be a 4. 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for the number 3. Alright. Well. I think this box can be a 1 because, well, if this is a 1, then this box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. And I need a 1 in this T-shaped area. So the 1 should be here. Same story with the 2. I cannot place a 2 here. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this T-shape. So this box should be a 3. And the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay, that means that this box can be a 3 or a 4 because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes or a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be 3 and a 4. So the 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Well. I'm thinking. Well. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. Those two boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 there. But also these two boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 here and double 2 there. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. These two boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Well, these two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. And also those two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 here. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This triple box, 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. I think this box should be 4 or a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yes, 4 or a 5. We have the pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So definitely a 5. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 here and double 2 there. So it's not true to place the 1 there. The 1 should be here. Okay. This box can be a 2. Because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 here. That means I cannot place the 2 here. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Yeah. So this box should be definitely a 1. And that box should be a 2. This box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here. So now we have a pair, the 4 and the 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4 and a 5. We have a double 4 and double 5 there. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay, now we have a 1 here. This box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this duo box for the number 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box should be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Okay. 3 to 4, 3 to 4, 3 to 4, 3 to 4. Okay. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 3 to 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. This box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3. Can it be 3? So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Think. Yeah. 3 to 4. 2 and 4. Come on. It's taking too long. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Same story for those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for us. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. Yeah. Thinking. Let me see. 4 and a 5. Well. I think this box should be a 4. If I place a 2 here, I cannot trigger those 2 boxes with the 4 and a 5. I think this is definitely a 4. And then I can trigger those 2 numbers. Yeah. Let me put the 4 there. Okay. So now we have a 4 here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. But now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 to 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area. Quarter box for the number 2. Okay. Almost finished. But these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes and there. Finish in 90 minutes. Well. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Although it has 10 printed digits. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for a new edition. Until then, bye bye for now.